Oh yeah, y'all make sure y'all log on to Cahtel.com. Cahtel. I'm about to do a contest for it. I got this song, like exclusive song that's coming out, featuring somebody huge in Zimbabwe right now. We just wrapped up a photo shoot for the website that's coming up. Shout out Christina Zamura. My whole team actually. I want to get girls just like working on my stuff. Like my website, a girl did it. The beat for the exclusive song, a girl did it. My videos, a girl's doing them. Like, I just want girls all on my team. 2:28 a.m. and we're working. I know you guys are like, where's the other dude? I'm kind of mad about it. I hit him up like, I don't know when, yesterday or something. I hit him up way ahead of time, I can tell you that. Now he's nowhere to be found. I actually traveled, matter of fact, to him in his city, 2 hours away. And now he's talking about, can we do it tomorrow? Yeah, it's a wrap. It was a good day though. I took a lot of pictures. Y'all see it on the website when it comes up. It's Cahtel.com. Shout out this new artist I've been looking at. His name is JF. Woo! I'm about to get him on the team. Like, I don't know. Y'all gotta tell me what y'all think about him, but I think he's dope. I don't know. WinkyD_ hates me. Follow me, please. Like, right now I only have like 100 followers or something. I guarantee after this new exclusive song, I'll be at least at 1,000 followers. Those are the ones I was racing. I should go up there and race them myself. But I am getting tired. The work does not stop. We always work. That's how you get money. What actually happened was I was watching the Soulja Boy movie. First I saw the Justin Bieber movie. That didn't really get me motivated, but I liked the movie. Shout out Justin Bieber. But this Soulja Boy movie, y'all gotta watch it because it got me super motivated. You see, like now I'm up at 3 in the morning working. That dude's a businessman. Like, shout out Soulja Boy. I should get a song with him. But shout him out. For real, for real. But we outie. It's Cahtel.com. Ah.
I'm so Zimbabwe, 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 I'm so Zimbabwe.